everyone, I'm Miss King. I teach biology and I'm going to show you around open house today. So now I'm in the social studies room activity and we're going to do a peel and reveal activity, which is pretty cool. Students are going to look at these smaller pictures of these historical events and try and figure out what's happening in the event, and then they'll get more pieces to the puzzle as they continue, and eventually they'll see the big picture, which all represent historical events in history. So now we're in the electives room. You get to meet your electives teacher and they have an activity set up for you to build origami animals. All right, here we are visiting the English department and they're gonna do an engaging activity with the students of different games. We have Taboo, Jenga, Mad Gab, which I personally love and am amazing at, and Bananagrams. All right, so now we're visiting the science department and we're gonna do a DNA extraction activity. It takes a little bit of time, but it's a lot of fun and students can take their DNA of the strawberry home with them. So now we're visiting the math department and they have challenged the students with an escape room. Using mathematical and logic skills, the students are challenged to open a locked box or multiple locked boxes to find a clue inside. So that was Open House 2019. We hope to see you again next year in 2020.